SoundStep LV multipurpose underlayment is a 1 mm thick crosslink foam material that easily installs under vinyl plank, laminate, solid and engineered hardwood flooring, and a variety of installation methods. SoundStep LV multipurpose underlayment can be used in floating, glue-down, and nail-down flooring applications. Always refer to the complete installation guide for the exact methods to installing your flooring of choice. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install the product for a floating floor application only. Be sure the subfloor is prepared appropriately and is clean and smooth and free of any dust and debris. Unroll the underlayment and ensure to place embossed side down to the subfloor. Trim the perimeter edges of the underlayment 1/4 inch from the wall. Butt the seams of adjacent rows of underlayment together and seal the seams with the integrated tape on each roll. For cut ends without the integrated tape system, use a good quality single-faced tape for joint sealing. Once the underlayment has been positioned as prescribed, install the floor covering product according to the manufacturer's instructions. Ensure to plan ahead so that the underlayment seams run perpendicular to the long dimensions of the planks.